afternoon, good evening, good night. This is Inappropriate. Well, today I'm here for the speaking module cue card. How to utilize the 1 minute which is given to you for think time to avail it, to utilize it fully so as you can talk like for 2 minutes for that. The thing is, I have experience throughout my 1.5 year of experience. It's like students focus on the bullet points which are being asked to them, like what, where, how. They also focus on W's, all the W's, where, when, how, what, and then explain. They don't focus on the topic. See, instead of answering something straight away, what happened at that time, because it's something that is one thing. So rather one thing I want you to so as to make it a fruitful 2 minute thing. So you have to focus on the topic basically. Usually start up with the topic. So concentrate on the topic. I'm going to give an example of a cue card right now for you all. It says describe a place you visited on vacation. Okay, you should say where it is, when you went there, what you did there, and explain why you went over there. See, when, guys, and everything is given over here. So we will begin with the point. Like if you the quick main point over here is crux over here is vacation. See, everyone does need vacation. So we will say that vacations are mandatory, and we will rather say just vacations are mandatory. Like we have vacations in our country or throughout everywhere. It is in the free times in the spring, in the summers, and in the winters. So everyone needs vacation from their monotonous life. Like everyone gets old. So I was telling you that it should begin from vacations. That how many times do we get vacations from our everyday life, and why do vacations are important? See, it wasn't the question that why do vacations are important. This is the bullet you are gonna think yourself, and you can add it on so as to make your 2 minutes talk to be talked about. See, the thing is, it's very important to talk about the main topic first, address the first topic first, completely address it, and make your own bullet points in your mind. It is not necessarily what our students do. What do I am witnessing throughout is just they focus on the 2 to 3 points which are being asked, and you should say about these things. You should say about these things, but this is not the only thing to be asked, because you know what, if you are going to just answer to these 3 things that are being asked to you, then you won't be able to cover the 2 minutes thing. So basically the examiner or whoever is examining you, either she or he, whoever is, so he wants to know that you know maximum of your English. See, so you have to cover up the topic, make the focus point, and see that your major concern is vacation. How many vacations do we have? When do we can plan vacations? Why vacations are mandatory? See, these were not in the bullet points. They were like where it is, because you should say then you are going to come to the point that in 2022, in 2023, I visited there. Why you choose there? Because it was a peaceful, because you wanted something out of this monotony. You want some break and you want some changes. Where we as a family turned our mobiles, we were not in touch with internet, we were not in touch with anyone. We just wanted our family quality time, or it can be friends even. See, so we have made pictures, we have made they have made so much. So everyone knows then what you did there. You can write down what you did there. We played there, we had so many pictures over there. We did barbecue, we did live barbecue, we did bonfire. So you have to have strong grip on basically what I want to say is you have to have command on the main topic. Address the main topic first and make the bullet points other than that which are being just asked you. Rather, I would say just where, what, when, how. You have to have your own mindset, start up with your own mindset, and then that's how you can make it a 2 minutes thing. It's just a tip for you all to focus on the main topic. And this is what I wanted to say, to make it 2 minute thing. You have to focus on the main topic and start from addressing on the main topic. Make bullets other than what is just being asked to you. Because if you're just going to answer what is being asked to you, it cannot make a sense of 2 minutes. Wish you all good luck, who all are